I bet you didn't know burping your baby could be this easy. Follow these simple steps to keep your little one happy. Burping your baby is essential to release those tiny air bubbles that cause discomfort. Here are 3 simple steps to make it a breeze. First, over-the-shoulder method. Hold your baby upright against your shoulder. Gently pat or rub their back until they burp. Remember, support their head and neck. Second, sit them up method. Sit your baby on your lap facing forward. Use one hand to support their chest and head. With the other hand, gently pat their back. Patience is key. Lastly, lying on your lap method. Lay your baby face down on your lap, ensuring their head is slightly higher than their chest. Gently rub or pat their back. Voila! Try these methods and find what works best for your baby. Happy burping!